Welcome to our tutorial on uploading photos to Google Drive from your Android device. In this step-by-step guide, we'll demonstrate the process of uploading photos to your Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your Android device. If you haven't installed the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Tap the plus or add button, usually represented by a plus icon, to begin the upload process. From the options provided, select Upload, then choose Photos or Gallery. Browse through your photo library and choose the photos you wish to upload to Google Drive. Once you've selected the photos, tap Upload or Done to initiate the upload process to Google Drive. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the photos have been successfully uploaded to your Google Drive. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your photos to Google Drive from your Android device. Your files are now securely stored in the cloud. We hope this tutorial has been informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.